I uninstalled YouTube as quickly as I could last night because I realized that I will literally ruin my life if I keep going this way. And I'm gonna do the same with Instagram once I'm done with official work because I have absorbed so much information in the last few weeks, obviously months, but especially the last few weeks, that I know everything about everyone around me and not just people that I know, but also celebrities. I mean, what the fuck is that about? Why do I know so much about what's happening with this XYZ A-list celebrity? Why do I care? I don't care. But when you're on Instagram and you're scrolling and you're curious and it's 2 a.m. and you fucking click on that carousel and you see what's happening and who broke up and who gave birth and this and that, like, why do I have this information in my brain right now? And I know I have sort of complained about this a million times, but I feel like last night I finally took action and I'm like, you know what? I just don't want to be overstimulated with information anymore. I don't want any sort of stimulation right now. I don't want any audio stimulation. I don't want any audio visual stimulation. I don't want any stimulation. The only stimulation that I'm going to allow myself is reading a book or maybe listening to an audiobook for a few minutes. I'm not listening to music. I'm not going on YouTube. I'm not even going on Instagram. There are 7 to 8 days left in the month of January. I am not going to use any of these things at all except for uploading my stuff onto them. I don't really care what is going on in this person's life or that person's life or what happened there or what happened there. It's okay to be aware of stuff. You anyway will be aware of stuff when you talk to people. You'll in some capacity know what's happening, but I could not give a less of a fuck at this point because my brain, when I go to bed at night, it's just like it's hard for me to fall asleep because of all the information that's just floating in my brain. Useless information. Because tell me, why do I know what I watched 5 days ago on YouTube and those clips are playing like a movie in my head? It's fucking uncomfortable and it's pointless. I mean, the information that I am supposed to know, which I do know, that's the hard part because what I do need to know is also there here. But what I do not need to know is also there here. So, what I do need to know just gets buried underneath all the useless information. And my mind feels chaotic, therefore, my nervous system feels chaotic, my chest hurts, and then my heart beats faster, and then I get anxious, and it's not a good feeling at all. I'll let you know my findings because I'm doing this for myself. So, I owe it to myself. So I'm definitely going to let myself know after recording this on 31st January. We are 7 to 8 days away from then. I have done this before. Tremendous results. Brain was fucking present. Body was present. I just want my actions to be aligned with the person that I want to become, and the desired version of myself does not fucking scroll on social media all day long or even check Instagram, especially of other people. That's just the lowest of the lows that I could have hit, and not doing that anymore.